Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand ternary or conditional operator. It is represented by using these two symbols, question mark and colon in C. So these concepts we'll try to understand in this class. In our previous class, we have covered arithmetic, assignment, bitwise operators, increment, decrement operators, and shift operators has already been covered in our previous classes. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have a better understanding of the concepts, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now, what is a ternary operator or conditional operator? The conditional statements or the decision making statements which depend on the output of an expression. So what this conditional operator is, it is a decision making statement. It is an alternative for simple if else statement. The concept of selection statements and if else statements, those concepts we'll cover in our later videos. So as of now, just think that this ternary operator question mark and colon is an alternative to the if else statement, and it is also a decision making statement, and that decision making depends upon the output of the expression. So based upon the output of an expression, we are going to decide which part of the program has to be executed. Let's try to understand this with an example. So here this is the expression. So this is our expression, and based upon the output of this expression, if this expression's output is true, so this part of the program will get executed. If the output of this expression is false, then this part of the expression will get executed. This part of the program, this part of the statement will get executed. So this is question mark, means based upon the output of this expression. So if it is true, this part has to be executed. If it is false, this expression has to be executed. Now let's try to write the program for to find whether the number is even or odd. So here, so it is going to decide whether this program is very short 2-line code. So it is going to decide, this program is going to decide whether this value of a is even or odd. So for that, what is the logic is a mod b. So the modulus value of a by 2. So if that modulus value is produced as 1, it is an odd number. If it is producing an output of 0, so a mod b means 12 by 2, the remainder is 0. So if this value is producing an output of 0 and means, so and this value that is produced is equal to 0, this is an comparison operator equal to, if both are equal, this is not assignment. So the comparison operators we'll try to understand in our later videos. So these two are getting compared if both are equal. If it is true, then this part will get executed. If it is false, means a mod b is generating an output of 1. So if you divide by 2, it is either going to generate a 0, or if you do modulus division by 2, it is going to generate either 0 or 1. If it produces 1, means, for example, if you are doing 13 mod 2, the output is going to be 1. If it is 1, means it is an odd number, so this part will get executed. If it is 0, means it is going to print even. If it is 1, means it is going to print odd. So this is the use of ternary or conditional operator, and it is the other way to express the if else statement. Let's try to execute this program and check the output, what it is going to print. Let's check the output. See here, this is the program. Compile this program, run this program. See here, it is even, it is producing an output of even, because 12 by 2 is producing an output of 0, 12 mod 2, it is not by, I am saying it as by, it is mod 2, modulus division, it is going to produce the remainder as 0, Reminder as 0, 0 is equal to 0, so this part will get executed, it is going to print even. So let's check, let's change this by 13 and check whether it is producing the other printf or not. Compile, run this program. So it is producing odd. 13 by 2, it is producing an output of 1. 13 mod 2, it is producing an output of 1. 1 is not equal to 0, so this statement will get executed, which is odd. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.